This is how you tell a kid how to crack an egg for the first time. Make sure the bowl is hard, and you put it on the ground, and crack it in the middle. And one more time, go. Crack hard. Hard. That's not hard. Okay. Now squeeze. Get it in the bowl. Thank you. Now get it to Mama. Alright. And if it's new, we got one shell. Hold on. My hands are clean. Okay. In the middle. Real hard. Harder. Okay. Yes, the eggs have to be new. I see one, and that one wasn't really good. Okay, you're making a mess. Pick it up. Thank you. Glad they're your eggs. And we got some egg on the phone now. Yes, yeah. We'll wash your hands in a second. After I am done digging around in your eggs. Alright, so we got both of those out. And there are his eggs, and then he gets to salt and pepper them. And actually, we're going to microwave them. That's step 2.